The Google Pixel Watch 4, LTE 45mm with matte black aluminum case and obsidian active band. Materials and finishes. Housing are 100% recycled aluminum, and the active band is a fluoroelastomer with soft touch coating. Its height is 12.3 millimeters, and the weight is 36.7 grams without the band. The Actua 360 display is a custom 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 320 ppi AMOLED LTPO display with DCI-P 3-color. Up to 3000 nits peak brightness, 1 nit minimum brightness, responsive 1 to 60 Hz always-on display. The connectivity is 4G LTE and UMTS 5. It has Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 802.1.1a/b/g/n/ac/ax 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, NFC, ultra-wideband, satellite SOS communication, dual frequency, GPS with GPS, Galileo, and GLONASS. Compatible with most phones running on Android 11.0 or newer. Requires Google account and Google Pixel Watch app. 455 mAh typical battery. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Up to 40 hours with always-on display, up to 72 hours with battery saver mode. Quick charge dock. Charging speed is about 15 minutes to 50%, about 30 minutes to 80%, about 60 minutes to 100%. The processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 2, Cortex M55 coprocessor. Comes with Wear OS 6.0. The watch storage is 32 GB eMMC flash and 2 GB SDRAM. The Pixel Watch 4 sensors include a compass, altimeter, red and infrared sensors for oxygen saturation, SpO2, monitoring, multi-purpose electrical sensors compatible with ECG app, multi-path optical heart rate sensor, 3-axis accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, electrical sensor to measure skin conductance, CEDA for body response tracking, far-field skin temperature sensor, barometer, and magnetometer. The Google Pixel Watch 4 has a side button, haptic crown, and Gen 3 premium haptics. Audio has built-in microphone and built-in speaker. The Google Pixel Watch 4 is durable and water-resistant with custom 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 5 ATM, and IP68. Inside of the box is the Google Pixel Watch 4, active band with small and large wristbands, Google Pixel Watch quick charge dock, and quick start guide, 1-year warranty. The Pixel Watch 4 is made with recycled plastic, cobalt, aluminum, steel, glass, tin, tungsten, gold, copper, and rare earth elements. Housing is 100% recycled aluminum. Pixel Watch 4 uses 100% recycled tin in the solder. Paste of multiple printed circuit boards, including the main logic board. Packaging for the Google Pixel Watch. 4 uses 100% plastic-free materials. Works with most phones running on Android 11.0 or newer. Comes with Google Fitbit. Once you have paired your phone and activated the 4G LTE option with a compatible carrier, you can receive texts and calls, play music, and use Google Pay, Google Assistant, and more without your phone. With the Bluetooth/Wi-Fi option, keep your phone close in order to receive calls, notifications, and more. You can also use the Pixel Watch app on your phone to manage watch faces, settings, notifications, and preferences. With the 4G LTE Google Pixel Watch 4 option, you can make and receive calls without your phone. And with the Bluetooth/Wi-Fi option, you can do the same with your phone nearby. For phone calls, you can use Pixel Watch 4's built-in speaker and mic, or pair your watch with Pixel Buds. Fitbit Premium is your resource in the Fitbit app for advanced insights, personalized workout recommendations, and energizing workouts. Once you have activated and paired your Pixel Watch 4 with the Fitbit mobile app on your phone, tap the Premium tab in the Fitbit app for instructions to redeem your 6-month Fitbit Premium trial.